Hey guys, my name is Liam, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and fix your HiBoy Max electric scooter that won't turn on. I bought this HiBoy Max M5 on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. The seller told me the scooter wouldn't turn on and that he thought it needed a new battery. I plugged the scooter in, and the charger light turned solid green, indicating that the battery was fully charged. However, the scooter still wouldn't turn on. The only way I managed to get the scooter to show any signs of life was by plugging in the scooter, holding down the power button, and removing the charger. When I do this, the display flashes for a second and then turns off again. I found a video of someone else who had an identical issue that I will link in the description. Here are the tools you're going to need to do this job. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, an electric drill with a Phillips head bit, because that'll save you a lot of time. You're going to need a multimeter, a wire cutter, and a wire stripper. In order to diagnose the issue, you will have to remove a few panels on the underside of your scooter. These panels are held in with screws. Remove the screws and pop the panel right out. Disconnect the battery from the motor controller. Then remove the 4 screws holding the battery in at its corners. Grab a multimeter, set it to 200 DC volts, and test your battery's voltage. These scooters have 36-volt batteries, and a healthy battery should read a little higher than that at around 39 volts. However, as you can see, my scooter's battery is only reading 33 volts. This battery definitely needs to be replaced. I purchased the new battery you just saw from electricscootersupply.com. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. Unfortunately, this battery doesn't have connectors that are compatible with the scooter. You are going to have to attach the connectors from the old battery onto the new battery. Both the old and the new battery have 2 sets of wires coming out of them. The first set of wires is thicker and connects directly to the motor controller of the scooter. The second set of wires is thinner and connects to a smaller connector near the charging port of the scooter. Here's what the thick connector looks like on the new battery, and here's what the smaller connector looks like on the new battery. We have to cut both sets of connectors off the old battery and connect them to the new battery in order to make sure the new battery is compatible with the scooter. After we cut the connectors off the old and new batteries, we need to strip the corresponding wires with wire strippers and splice them together. Splice thick red with thick red and thick black with thick black. Be careful not to short circuit the new battery, and protect your splices with heat shrink or electrical tape. The next couple minutes will be me demonstrating how to do this process, so if you already know what you're doing, skip ahead to 4:45. After you finish splicing the thick wires for the bigger connector, repeat the same process for the thinner wires and the smaller connector. Attach your new connections back to where they belong, and now you can reinstall the battery. The battery is held down by 4 screws, one on each corner. Once everything is reconnected and the battery is secure, it's time to test and see if the scooter works.
And stop.
Now that we've confirmed the scooter works, reattach all the panels and take it for a test ride.
Riding off into the sunset.
And thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helped.